Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Today an additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's a Wednesday, November the 9th, 2022. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 4 of them. Otherwise, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time. Yes, the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. All right. Let me start with the Sudoku with 3 stars. Sudoku with 3 stars, number double 45. Double 45. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. 25 printed digits. 3 stars. Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level of the puzzle. Yes, the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me see. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 3 threes, 3 fours, 2 fives, no sixes. Wow. 4 sevens, 3 eights, and 4 nines. So the sevens and the nines are in majority. Can I start with a 9? Yes, 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. All right. Okay. Then I cannot continue with the 9 now. Let me see which number I can pick. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. All right. Okay. Then. Let me see. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. 8, 8. I'm thinking. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this second column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, or there. We see here 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. Here 2 in the row above, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Okay. Then let me see. 4, 4, 5, 5. Well. 1. Come on. 3, 3. This is not easy. 8, 8. 8. So we need an 8 there. 8. All right. 1. Come on. Where's the opening? The opening. 3. Yeah. 7, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or there in this column. We see another 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Okay. And we have a pair, we have a 7 and a 9 in this column, the 7 and a 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 7 and 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 7 and 9, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. And look, we have a 7 and 9 in this row, so no 7 and 9 in this box. The 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. 1. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Okay. 1. Cannot continue with 1 now. All right. 2. Yeah. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 and 6 is missing. 4 and 6. Cannot do anything with the 4 and 6. Well. 4. Okay. 2. Think. 8. 8. Come on. 4. 4. Yeah. Come on. The 2. And the, can I place the 9? No. 9. 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this first row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 in this row, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the first column. No 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. 1. Okay. Then 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8. And look. Wait. 5, 6, 8. No. Cannot fill this yet. 5, 6, 8. 5. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these two boxes. Here 1 in the middle row, no 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this second column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1, but 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Let me mark those two boxes. That means 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column. Second column, so no 4 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. Sorry, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Here also 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 and a 6. Okay, 1 number left. The 3 is missing here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. And look, we have a 3 in this row, second row. No 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 5 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those 5 and the 6. So that box in the third row should be, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 6 now. Okay. 2 numbers are left here, also 5 and a 6. Let me mark those. Well, cannot fill this yet. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. How about these? 1, 5, 6, and the 8 also. 5, 6, 8. How about 1 box left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Now we have an 8 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 9 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So now we need a 6 there. Here cannot be a 6. Okay, and now 3 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. Let me mark those. 1, 5, 8. Cannot fill this yet. 1, 5, 8. 5, 6, 8. 5. Yeah, 5, 6, 8 cannot. All right. Let me see. Come on. 7, 7, 7. 9, the 8. Come on. We need an 8 here. Yeah, we need an 8 in one of these 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Well, these two can be an 8 because we have an 8 in this big square. So the 8 could be here or there. We see another 8 in the third column. So no 8 there. 8 should be there. 158? No. It's 159. 159. Okay. 159. Well, 1 box left in the second column for number 3. So 159, look, we have a 1 and a 9 in this row, so no 1 and 9 in this box. The 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9, so 1 is left in this big square for number 5. Okay, 5 and a 6, I've marked these 2 boxes with 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in this row for number 1 and 2. The 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So that row, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here 3 in that column, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. That means this box, 1 box left in this big square for number 6, okay? 2 numbers, no. 3 numbers left. 4, 6, and 5 are missing. 4, 6, and 5. 4, here cannot be a 4. Well, 4, 6, and a 5 in the middle column. Here can be a 4, we need a 4. So we have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. Here can be a 4 because we have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be here. So 1 box left in this big square for number 6. So the 5 and the 6 are left. Cannot fill this, yes, 5 and the 6. How about the 4? Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers are left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and the 6 then. 5 and the 6. Alright, here also 5 and the 6. Now we have a 7 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 9 goes there. Here I've marked those 2 boxes with a 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 5 in this row. 5, last row. 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 and a 6. Well, we have a 5 in this big square, so this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 6, and that box should be a 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. And the final number in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, told you 20 to 30 minutes I need for a 3 stars puzzle. Is this really a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the other 3 puzzles. The binary, the tectonic, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.